Look at my bed of sweet potatoes. Y'all enjoying this wind blowing on your leaves, aren't you? Okay. Okay. There was a lot of sweet potatoes this season. They just vining up all kind of ways. Some I have to keep pulling up. They're going down on the ground. I push them back into the bed. But they're going all up on, growing up on that little fence there, that wire fence there behind it. Okay, sweet potatoes. Can't wait to harvest you. Look at my kiwi plant up here hanging on. Got both of his arms spread out across on the wire lighting. You hang in here now. Don't let the wind blow you away. You said you wanted to stay outside, so I'm keeping you outside. Looking good. Yes, you are. Now, grow us a lot of kiwis that we can enjoy to eat. I covered up as much of the garden area that I could. Keep the wind from blowing a lot of the leaves and stuff off of and blooms off of the plants that's growing. Got my cucumber and bell pepper bed over here covered up in my green bean bed. Got some peppers supposed to be growing over there. It's taking forever. I got that covered up. Taking a walk around the garden during this stormy weather, and look what I see. Ah, cantaloupe growing. Okay, cantaloupe. Come on and grow us a whole lot of them. I see a lot of yellow flowers blooming. Come on, cantaloupe. Look at you. Okay. Looking good. Yes, you are. I have my bell pepper bed over here covered up. I don't want the wind to just blow all of their leaves and blooms that's growing on it and peppers that's already have matured on them. So hopefully we all fare out all right with this tropical storm that's passing through our area today. It rained heavier over here just a little while ago. I decided I'd just come out here and check on everything. Okay, y'all hang on in your pepper bed. Hey, lemon tree. I know you're enjoying this wind blowing on you, blowing your leaves around because it's been hot. I know you're enjoying this cool breeze. I see a lot of lemons growing here now. Come on, lemon tree. Time for y'all all to start turning yellow. Okay. Look at you back here. I see you. Come on, lemon tree. Oh, okay, down there in the bottom there. I see you. Y'all come on and grow us a lot of lemons. A Maya lemon tree. Still hanging in here. We had a bad storm, I'd say maybe 3 years ago or 4 years ago. And my fence there had fell down on it when it was really, really a smaller tree. And I staked it up. And look how big it has gotten now. Oh, yes. Come on, Maya Lemon. Continue to grow us some beautiful, enjoyable lemons to eat. Or should I say delicious lemons to eat. My corn over here hanging out here in the wind. See a lot of tassels growing on it. The silk forming there, forming the ears of corn. I took some of the little tassels and put it back down on the ones that I see the silk on to try to help pollinate it. See if I get a full ear of corn this time, because the last ones I harvest, a lot of the ears, the kernels on the ears of corn didn't form all the way. They didn't get pollinated fully. So I hope this round of corn comes out better. Come on, corn. Hang in here with this storm blowing on you. Look at my apple growing there on my apple tree. Okay, it's still small right now. It's the only one that has formed. I put little netting around the ones that I seen some blooms on, so none of the birds or pests will come in and munch on the apples blooms. Well, look at you, I see you. Come on, apple, grow for us. I brought my avocado tree inside because the last windstorm that we had, it blew all the leaves off of it. And I said, no, not this time. I'm going to protect you this time. Bring you on inside. And I brought my Jamaican sorrel inside too. It looks much better than what it was looking yesterday because the heat was burning the leaves up. And it's blooming real beautiful here on the back porch. Okay. Come on, avocado. You gotta grow us a whole lot of avocados to enjoy and eat.